have another huge donation run to make. So we are just putting in the work, y'all. Getting this stuff out of here. So proud of us, babe. We are at the home stretch, my friends. The home stretch. I have done really all the hot spots in my house, and this is definitely a hot spot. We don't use this room often, but baby, it needs to stop turning into such a storage dump. But what I'm gonna do in here today is basically clear everything out. I know. Clear all this out. All of this here gotta go. This is stuff from my office that I'm redoing. There's stuff that I don't want. I have no idea what to do with this desk because it's a sit stand desk. I feel like I may want to use it one day. I just don't want to use it right now in my office. And yeah, so we just put it here for now, but it doesn't need to stay here. But for the long run, I think I'll end up putting it in the basement. My girls get over here and just, yeah, let me give you another view from the other side. Yeah. Yep. We're doing this today. So let me go ahead and get to work. Seriously, y'all, for anybody who is a parent, how many pairs of these headphones do you go through in a year? I mean, I swear they only last for maybe a few months and then one side just goes out on you. And it doesn't matter if you spend 20 bucks on it or $5 from Five Below, they're all the same. Okay, so I'm gonna start out by just taking a laundry basket, an empty laundry basket. That system works really well for me, where I just dump all the things in there that don't belong in here. And then after I'm finished with the room, I'll go in and decide what needs to be donated, what needs to be trashed, and what needs to be put in another place. Well, really, it's just the trash I have a separate bag for, so I'm just throwing the trash in there. But whatever I put in the basket, it's like I'm gonna have to think about what to do with. So that's what I'm doing here. And the dust in this room is crazy. I cannot wait to vacuum in here and do everything and dust so it's nice and fresh and livened up here. Also, you'll notice that I have my sewing machine in here. Zara and I were sewing for a little while. I have some older clothes for them that I used in here that we would just practice sewing with. But honestly, until I finish my office and get a place for all of my sewing machine, like my sewing machine stuff, I don't have a lot of stuff, but just my sewing machine and the parts that go with that, I've been keeping it in here. You're so sweet. So cute. A little dusty, but look at, that's right after I had Zara. My hair was so long and luscious. So many pictures. Oh my gosh, I'm just going down memory lane, y'all. Don't ask me why I have these pictures in here. I need to find some place to put these pictures because I just don't know where to put them. I guess in a photo album, but it's like, oh, that would be the smart thing. Duh, a photo album. Yep. Still need to get these framed. I need to just go ahead and do that. I have two of these, not the exact same pictures, but I had two of them made and then I never went back and got them framed, and that's what I need to do. So my kids have been using this sit stand desk in here just to do like little artwork, and sometimes they'll do their homework in here or get on their computer or whatever. So it's kind of getting junky in here, even though I don't want to keep this desk in here permanently. It's just in here for right now because I don't have any place else to put it, but I'm not ready to donate it or sell it or anything like that because I do think that I will use it in the future. So I'm just going to try to go through all of this stuff and figure out what needs to go, what needs to stay, and where I'm going to put all this stuff at. All right, so I've cleared everything out. That's the basket I'm sorting through. The rest of that is trash and some art from Zara that I'm gonna put away in my little keep box for her. I straightened up underneath there. That's just some stuff that, again, I don't have any storage down here. So that is why it looks, I have like little pockets of places where I wanna keep things until I get all the storage built out in my office, which is prayerfully happening soon. That whole wall over there is going to be all storage for me, and stuff like that is going to go in there, as well as my sewing machine, which is why I have things on the floor. This is stuff, my curtains that I bought from my office, some artwork, the poles, and everything I need to hang the curtains up in the bay window section that I will be doing soon. Office update coming real soon. Anyways, so I just wanted to show you the dust. Oh my goodness, that's all dust, y'all. It's gross, right? So let me go ahead and clean that up. I'm gonna dust up here. I'm not sure why my kids have that on there. We're gonna dust everything really nicely. Wowzers.
The next day.
Y'all, it's the next day. My kids, I had to go pick them up from school, and then once I picked them up from school, it's like, yeah, I just couldn't pick it back up until today. So let me go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dust the blinds, clean that table off, pull the chairs out, vacuum, and dust this little table as well. And then, girl, I think we're going to be done. We're going to be done because I did wipe the chandelier that's in here. I did wipe that down. So after this, I think we'll be done in here. Oh, and that little table over there, I'm going to dust too. So let's get started. goodness, that's crazy. All right, y'all, here we have it. I'm all done. If you're wondering where our 6th chair is, it's over in my office. Zara uses it sometimes on my old desk, but y'all, it is so much better in here just to have the floor clear. I know it's not perfect, and there's still stuff, but I got a lot of trash out of here. We added to the donation pile, huge pile that we had. As a matter of fact, we dropped it off today, the donations today. We loaded up my dad's truck with everything that we had been just putting in the garage to donate, y'all, and it filled up almost half of the back of the bed of the truck, and also the back seat with bags and bags of things. So I'm just really happy. A lot of the things in here was trash, and a lot of the things we just had to let it go. I wasn't using it, and the stuff that I did use, I just put away. So I'm really happy, y'all. You guys remember what it looked like before? I mean, it was a mess. It was a mess, and I know this is still looking very cluttered. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this desk yet. My kids use this as little art. They come over here and draw and stuff like that. That's a lot of learning things, which that's a whole nother beast that I have to go through. Now that they're getting older, we have a lot of learning things from when they were younger, but still some stuff like learning games and stuff that we still use. That bin I'm gonna put in my office because it's all of my stuff once I get the storage, like I explained early in the video. We know what that is for my office. So I'm really happy, y'all. We are steamrolling this. Listen, I'm bringing 2022 in, clearing out all the stuff that's not needed, that blockage of, to me, I feel like it like blocks our blessings when we just hold on to things that we don't need that can be a blessing to somebody else, So I'm just really happy with my progress here. And I pray that you guys are making progress on whatever it is that you guys are working through. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.